Hello everyone. Today we're learning something super cool. We're learning about substitution.
Substitution? Isn't that what happens when the teacher is absent and another teacher takes the class? Or in games, when the coach swaps out players?
Well, you're right. It is all about replacement. We've learnt before that in algebra, letters or prenumerals are used instead of numbers, so x can be 3 or 4, etc. Substitution is replacing the prenumeral by its value. It feels like code breaking. Let us start with these super easy expressions. In these examples, the value of x is 6. Now all what we need to do is to replace every x we find with 6. So for the first, it is 6 plus 3, which is equal 9. And for the second, it is 5 times 6, which is 30. And the last is 6 divided by 2, and that is 3. In these expressions, x is 4. In the first one, according to Bodmas, we start with the brackets. So 4 plus 1 gives us 5, then we multiply that by 2, which gives us a final answer of 10. In the second one, square root of 4, or in other words, what is the number that gives us 4 when it is multiplied by itself? This number is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. The third one has square root of 36, divided by square root of 4. That is 6 divided by 2, so the answer is 3. Substitution can also include multiple prenumerals. In these examples, x is 2 and y is 3. In the first one, 5 and x and y are multiplied by each other, so it is 5 times 2, which is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. The second one has a bracket. As we said before, according to Bodmas, we must do brackets first. 2y is 2 times 3, this is 6. Then 2 is added, that makes it 8. Then the whole thing is multiplied by 4. Final answer is 32. The final thing to learn about substitution is that it can be used to check if expressions are equivalent. If you don't know yet, equivalent means equal. We can say that two expressions are equivalent if they equal the same value. If the question doesn't give a specific value for the prenumeral, you can choose any value and substitute the prenumerals by it. Check this out. Let us pick any value for x and substitute it. Let x be 2. Every x is now 2. 5 times 2 minus 2 times 2. This is 10 minus 4, which is equal 6. The second one, 2 times 2. That's 4 plus 2 equals 6 as well. The last one, 4 times 2 minus 2 times 2. This is 8 minus 4, which is 4. Because the results of the first and second are equal, we can confidently say that they are equivalent. Let's finish with this worded problem. If y is 9, find the perimeter of this rectangle. Easy. We know that to find the perimeter of any shape, all what we need to do is to add all the sides. If y is 9, that means that the length, which is the longer side, is 9 plus 1, that's 10. And the width is 9 minus 3, that is 6. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 10 plus 6 plus 6, or 10 times 2 plus 6 times 2, that is 32 in total. That's it.